Hello students, how are you all? You all are welcome on our YouTube channel. So here we are going to clear our concepts and doubts in a very simple manner. So today we are having our chapter number 4 and today we are going to solve and practice some questions of addition. So let's see what we are having here. Okay, here we are have some questions of addition which we have done in our previous classes. So let's pick one question, that is question number 5. Here we are having ones place and tens place. At ones place we are having 2 and 5. At tens place we are having 7 and 1. So you always take care of that. You always have to add the same places. Okay, so here we are having 2 and 5 at the ones place. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and at tens place we are having 7 and 1, so 7 plus 1 is 8. Clear? In the same way, let's solve question number 9. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Clear? So these questions are very easy. Now come to the next part. Okay, that is a simple addition. So let's discuss its definition. Addition means to combine two or more numbers or quantity. The symbol of addition is this plus sign, is called a plus sign. Okay, so here we are having the numbers and we have to simply add them. So if we have two or more numbers to add, we call them addends. Just like 4 plus 5, so we are having 4 and 5 as an addend, and after addition of these two numbers we have the answer, and that is our sum, and we call it 9. Clear? Addend plus addend is equals to sum. Now move to our next part, that is properties of addition. Okay, so here we are having first property, that is when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. So here we are having 5 kites. We have add 0 or none kite. So we have the same answer just as 5 kites. Okay, now come to our second part or second property. The sum obtained after adding 1 to any number is the next number. Okay, and it is called the successor of that number. Here we are having some examples, just like 129 plus 1, we have 130. Clear? So this is our next number or successor of a number. Next topic we are having addition on a number line. So if we are having two numbers just like 4 and 5, so first we have to jump from 0 to 4 directly, and after that we are having 5, so we have to take 5 steps, 1 2 3 4 5, and at last position that is our answer. Clear? Next come to our exercise 4.1, question number 1. This is fill in the blanks type questions. So here we are having some addends and sum type property. Okay, here we have to just separate them. Okay, so let's take question number 3. Here we are in 3 plus 5 plus 1. These three are addends. So addends are 3, 5 and 1. If we add these three numbers, we have the sum is 9. So we can write here 9 as a sum. Clear? Okay, now move to the next question, that is question number 2. Change the order of addends and find their sum. Okay, now we have to change the order. Let's take question number 2, A part. Here we are having 62 plus 35 or 35 plus 62. We have changed the order. Here we have taken 62 as a first number and second number 35. Here we are having 35 as the first number and 62 is the second number. Okay, so let's add ones place 2 plus 5, that is 7, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Again we will add the second part, that is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 6 is 9. Clear? Next we are having D part, that is 14 plus 65. That means if we add 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, and here we are in 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7. Clear? So here you have seen, if we change the order of the numbers, the sum is always same. There is no difference, and the sum. Okay, now come to the next part, that's question number 3, that is add with the help of number line. We have already discussed the concept of number line. So let's pick question number C. Or okay, let's pick question number 4, B. Now first number we are having 6. So we jump from 0 to 6 directly. After that we have 5 to add. We will take the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our last number. So 11 is our sum. Clear? Okay, now come to our next part, that is addition of two digit numbers with carry or without carry. This is without carry. You simply add the places and then write it. Clear? And just like ones we have to add in ones and tens we have to add in tens. Okay, now here we are having our exercise 4.2. So we are going to start our question number 1, that is add the following. Let's pick one question from here, that is B part. Okay, so we have to add the ones place first, that is 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Simple. After that we are having question number 2, that is add the following, and here we are having 3 digit numbers. That is question number B. This is 415 and 263. 415 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 678. Clear? Okay. Now we are having exercise 4.2. There is question number 3. Take the correct and cross the wrong. Okay. Here we have to just check the answers, they are right or wrong. If our answer is correct, then we have to put a tick mark. If the answer is wrong, we have to put a cross. Okay, let's pick. Now we have to add these numbers. So first arrange them just like this type, 4, 6, 3, arrange in columns. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So we are having 685 answer. Yes, it is a right answer. So we put a tick here. After that we have choose E part. Okay. So first we have to solve this numbers. Okay. First arrange these numbers 1, 3, 3, 3 and add them. We are having 4, 4, 4. This is 444. But here we are in 555. So this answer is wrong. So we are going to put a cross sign here. Okay, now move to our next question. That is question number 4. Match the following. Okay, so first thing we have to just add the numbers and then match with the answer in the column B. Let's pick C part. This is 2 plus 2 is 4 and 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8. Have you seen this number? Yes, here we are having. After that you have to rub this number and simply join just like this, or you can find out the answer in the rough. Clear? Okay, now come to our next question. Okay, now we are having next exercise, that is 4.3. Here we are having question number 1, add the following, and here we are having 3 numbers of 3 digits. Clear? So we have to simply add them one by one and write the answer. See, come to question number 1, B part. Here we are having 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then after that you have to add 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So 1's place is done. Now come to 10's place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Next is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So this is our 959 as an answer. Okay, here we are having exercise, that is 4.3. Again we have to just add these numbers and mark with the answer in column B. Let's pick question number D. Here we are in question number D. Let's add them just like 2, 0, 5. This is 7. Okay. So here we are having 7 at the 1's place. There are all the different numbers. So we can directly answer that this is the answer of D part. Clear? Now come to next topic, that is adding two digit number with carry. In carrying concept, we have to add two numbers or three numbers, and the answer or sum is of two digits. And we have to use the concept of carrying the numbers. Clear? Okay, let's see this example first. Okay, here we are having two digit number, that is 43 and 29. So we have to add 3 ones and 9 ones and 4 tens and 2 tens. Here we are having 12 ones and 6 tens. So we can write 12 ones is 10 ones and 2 ones, and after that 10 ones is equals to 110. So here we are having 610. So here we are having 6 tens and 1 ten. So we can combine these as 710 and the remaining is 1. This is 70 plus 2, that is 72. Or we can simply carry in the number just like 9 plus 3 plus 9 is 12. So we write 12 separately in our mind, and we just write this number at the ones place, and the tens place number should be carried to the tens place. After carrying the number to the tens place, we simply add all the numbers including 1 at the tens place. Just like 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7. This is 7. Clear? Okay, now come to our next part, that is our exercise 4.4. Here we are having some questions. Let's solve it. Let's pick B part. Here we are having 13 tens and 21 ones. So 21 ones means here we are having 2 tens and 1 ones. So we can write 1 ones here first, or how many tens are there? 2. 2 tens and 13 tens. That means 15 tens are there. Clear? Or we can say that that is 21. So we can break it, that is 20 plus 1. This is 2 tens and 1 ones. After that, we have to add these 2 tens and 1 separately. Clear? Okay, here we are having exercise 4.4, question number 3, add by expanded form. Okay, so this is so simple form. First, we have to just expand, just like this is 48. 8 is at 1's place and 4 is at 10's place. Here we are in 29. 9 is at 1's place and 2 is at 10's place. So if we add 1's, 8 plus 9 is 17. So here we are having 17 ones. And if we add these two tens, we are having 6 tens. So we know 10 ones is equals to 110. So here we are having 7 ones and 6 plus 1, 7 tens. So the answer is 77. Clear? And this is a simple form in which we are going to add. Okay, next come to adding 3-digit number with carry. Okay, in the same manner we have to just add the numbers. Okay, just like here we are having 476 and 349. 400, 7 tens, 6 ones. Here we are having 300, 4 tens, 9 ones. If we add ones, we are having 15 ones, 11 tens, and 7 hundreds. Now we have to break 15 ones. So here we are having 10 ones and 5 ones. So 5 ones and this is 110. Okay, here we are having 11 tens and this is 110. So if we add these two tens, we are having 12 tens. Clear? After that, we are having 12 tens. So we break it in 10 tens and 2 tens. We know that 10 tens is equals to 100 and 2 tens is normal 2 tens. So here we are having 700s and 100s. This is total 800s, 2 tens and 5 ones. Clear? In this way, we are going to solve this. Okay, here we are having some examples for carrying. Okay, come to our exercise 4.5, question number 1. This is question number B. So we are going to add the ones place first. This is 6 plus 5, that is 11. We have to just write the ones place here, and this tens place we have to carry here. Okay, we have to simply write it. Okay. Now we are having 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 again 2-digit number. So we are writing 3 here and 1 in the box, and 1 is going to carry here. So 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. So answer is 831. Clear? Okay, next question we are having question number 2. Add the following. Here we are having B part, that is 8 plus 5 is 13. So here we are having 13. So we are going to write 3 at one's place, and this one is carried to the next place. So we carry one this to the tens place. So 8 plus 4, 11 plus 1, that is 12. Again we are having two digit number. So one's place should be written here, and the tens place should be carried to the next place. Here we are having 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1, this is 10. So our answer is 1023. So this is our carrying method which we have to do. Okay, next is word problem type questions. In word problem type questions, we have to use the statement clearly, because if we are not going to understand the language of the question, we can't solve the word problems. Because in real life there is no you have to do the addition subtraction. There are always the cases which we have to follow, and we will use our brain to find out which operation is going to be. If I purchase 5 chocolates of 10 each, then which concept I am going to apply? So you will use addition or multiplication. Clear? In the same way. Okay, let's take question number 2. Well, okay, in question number 2 we are having 345 people visited an exhibition on Monday, 468 on Tuesday, and 229 on Wednesday. So we are having 3 days and number of people visited an exhibition. How many people in all? See, we have a hint how many people in all visited the exhibition during the 3 days. So this tells us that we have to use the concept of addition. Okay, now we are having number of people, or we can say that number of visitors on Monday. That is 345. After that, we are having number of visitors on Tuesday. So here we are having that is 468. After that, we are having number of visitors on Wednesday. That is 229. So we have to find out the number of all the visitors. So we have to find out the number of all visitors. So we have to simply just add them. So we are going to add, that is 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22. So we are going to write this ones place here, and this tens place is to be carry forward. This is 6 plus 4, 10, 12, 13, 14. So now we are in 14. 4 should be written here, and the 1 should be carried forward. So here we are having 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. So we are having total 1042 visitors in all these 3 days. Yeah. So I hope I make all the concepts clear and in a simple and easy way. So thank you for watching us very carefully, and just practice as much as you can to make our maths very effective and good.